EngloTalk.
I need a new phone.
What color do you like?
I want a black phone.
We have this black model.
Is the screen very big?
Yes, it is very big.
How much memory is inside?
It has lots of memory.
Does it take good photos?
The camera is very good.
Can I hold it now?
Yes, hold it right here.
It feels very light today.
Do you want to buy?
How much is the phone?
It is exactly 400.
I will pay with cash.
I accept paper cash here.
Here is the paper money.
I will count it now.
Please give me a receipt.
Here is your printed paper.
Does it have a warranty?
Yes, 1 full year warranty.
Thank you for your help.
Hello, my phone is broken.
Let me see the phone.
The front screen is cracked.
You dropped it on floor?
Yes, it fell down today.
The glass is totally broken.
Can you fix it now?
I must change the glass.
How long will it take?
It takes about 2 hours.
Will I lose my photos?
No, your photos are safe.
How much is the repair?
It is $50 cash.
That is a fair price.
Do you agree to fix?
Yes, please fix my screen.
Leave your phone with me.
I will come back later.
Here is your paper ticket.
I will keep it very safe.
See you in 2 hours.
Thank you for quick help.
We always work very fast.
Have a very good day.
I need some good headphones.
Do you want wireless ones?
Yes, without any long cables.
Look at these black headphones.
Are they loud and clear?
The sound is very perfect.
Can I try them on?
Yes, put them on now.
They feel very soft inside.
Do you like the sound?
The bass is very strong.
They cancel all outside noise.
How long does battery last?
It lasts for 10 hours.
That is very long time.
Do you want to buy?
Yes. What is the price?
They cost exactly $30.
I will pay cash today.
Here is your exact change.
Can I have a box?
I will pack them nicely.
Thank you very much, sir.
Enjoy your new loud music.
I will listen every day.
My laptop has a problem.
What is wrong with it?
The battery dies very fast.
How old is the laptop?
It is 3 years old.
The battery is probably old.
Can you put new battery?
Yes, I have new batteries.
Will it work long again?
It will work like new.
Can you do it today?
Give me just 1 hour.
How much is the battery?
It is $40 cash.
Do I pay you now?
Pay me when it finishes.
I will wait right here.
You can sit on sofa.
Thank you. I will sit.
The new battery is inside.
Does it turn on now?
Yes, the screen is bright.
Here is your $40.
Thank you for your payment.
Thank you for fast repair.
I want a smartwatch.
For sports or everyday use?
I need it for running.
This watch is very good.
does it count my steps?
It counts every single step.
Can it measure my pulse?
Yes, it checks your pulse.
Is it safe in water?
Yes, you can swim safely.
The screen is very clear.
It connects to your phone.
That is very useful feature.
Do you like the color?
I like this blue band.
It fits your wrist well.
How much does it cost?
It is exactly $60.
I have enough paper cash.
We accept all paper cash.
Here is the exact money.
Here is your paper receipt.
How do I charge it?
Use this small magnetic cable.
Thank you for your help.